Hi, my name's Tony Sarver, but I'll have to give the reason to my wife Lemia.
All right, my name is Lemia Sarver. We decided to go with upgrade in the kitchen because I mainly didn't like the look, how it was. And it's been a project since we moved in, that was my goal to redesign the kitchen. So it was like time to start it, and then we wanted to make the decision to move forward. And these are more my colors. That was the main reason for that. Well, the reason we went with the BST Designs is because I have a customer, one of my clients. Also, I was helping her with bathroom fixtures and vanities, and because I'm an interior designer. So I told her, who's helping you with the project, and she mentioned the company. So I was like, well, let me give them a try. And after I met Matt, kind of liked working with him, and I decided to go with him. The inspiration is, for me, are the earth tones. I like the whites, the off-whites, the natural look, the clean, but I also wanted to add some gold. The gold has always been one of my favorite colors, and also it is in style right now, very trendy. And I thought, why not convert it to what I wanted? And so that's how the trims of gold came about. Brass and gold, of course. So Matt, of course, asked my opinion, my input, and I mentioned what I liked, how I wanted to go, what the final goal for me for this kitchen is gonna be. I had the vision, and so I told him this is what I wanted and these colors, and he made it so easy for us to find what we're looking for. He gave me the choices, and then it was easy to find them and easy to pick because luckily all these finishes are widely available, and so he made them available and find them easy for me to locate. So, and he approved at the end, so that helped.
They even walled off with plastic the different exits so that they didn't get the rest of the house dirty. Dust didn't go anywhere. They would come in through the side door, and even each evening when they were leaving, they cleaned up everything, even swept in here, so we were able to come in and take a look at the work in progress. And I couldn't be more happy with the professionalism of the construction crew.
I like how tall the cabinets have become because they elevated the space and made it look a lot bigger, even though it's the same dimensions. The pantry store is becoming one of my favorite, in addition to the island, because the previous pantry was much smaller and it didn't have pull-out drawers. Now it does have pull-out drawers. I do highly recommend Matt and BST Designs, professionalism, the project process, how it went smoothly, and budget-wise as well was on target because that's important for a lot of customers. And the process was really nice. I have nothing, I can't really say anything wrong about them. I highly recommend them.